In today's video, I am going to teach you how to brand your Shopify store like a pro. Branding is not just about looking good. It helps customers recognize you quickly, build trust, and feel confident that they are shopping with a real, consistent business. In this short walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact places in Shopify where you can set up your brand and then apply it across your storefront. First, open Shopify and go to your admin dashboard. From there, find Settings. This is where Shopify collects the key details that define how your store looks and behaves. Once you are in Settings, click Brand. You should now see a section where you can manage your brand identity. Next, upload your logos. When you upload a logo, choose the best version you have for clear viewing at different sizes. It helps to use a clean image that remains readable, even when it gets smaller in headers or menus. After that, set your brand colors. These colors will help Shopify keep your store consistent, so you do not have to manually match everything later. You will also find a field for your slogan. Add your slogan exactly as you want it displayed, because it becomes part of the overall brand impression. When all of these are in place, click Save. Now take a moment to confirm that the information has been stored properly. Saving is important because it ensures Shopify will use your brand assets across your theme settings. If the page updates without errors, you are ready for the next step. After saving your brand details, click Online Store. This is the area where you control what customers actually see. Within Online Store, look for Themes and then click Themes. You are going to move into the customization flow so Shopify can automatically apply your brand assets to your storefront appearance. At this point, open the customization tools. Click Customize so you can preview changes in a live or theme preview environment. This makes it easier to see whether everything looks right before you finalize anything. You will want to use this preview to double-check that your logo placement, colors, and overall look match your expectations. Once you are in the customization area, focus on Theme Settings. You will usually find a gear icon, and there is often a panel on the left side that lists theme options. Click the Theme Settings gear icon and open that left panel. This is where Shopify can automatically apply your brand assets, which helps you avoid manual styling. As you look through the options, you should see an area related to automatically using your brand identity. Now enable or use the option that automatically applies your brand assets. This step matters because it connects the brand settings you saved earlier with the theme design in your storefront. When the brand assets are applied automatically, your logo, colors, and supporting brand elements can show up in the right places across the theme without extra work. Keep your attention on the preview as Shopify applies the changes, so you can visually confirm that the store updates correctly. Finally, once the preview looks correct, click Save. Saving here is what locks in the theme settings so the changes are reflected for your customers. After you click Save, you should be able to view the storefront preview and feel confident that your brand identity is now consistent across the experience. And that covers everything you need to know.